What's up, guys? Today video is gonna be super quick, I hope. Replacing this part right here, the clutch slave. Back, enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Let's get to it. All right, so before we can remove the slave, we gotta drain out. So just drain it. A little vacuum tube thing. Just make sure you drain from all. This is the master cylinder. So this one is a 8mm. Then just drain everything out as much as you can. And once you're satisfied, there's one Allen key right here, another one right here, and then one on the bottom. 5mm Allen. Make sure not to strip anything, guys. Loosen them evenly, and then once they're loose, you take them right out. Make sure you clean your seals. So make sure you have all your tools ready. So there's 2 O-rings right here. Mine were completely dried out, so I have to go to the store now and get 2 O-rings for this. This is the old one. And this is the new one from Ducabike. Comes with the replacement screws, the cylinder itself, crusher washer, and then it comes with these balls. This is for pre-2000 bikes. Mine is a 2013, so I will not need it. So much better. The old one, the new one. Now connect the hose to it. Don't forget your crush washer. One goes on the top and the other goes on the bottom. So one on the top, one on the bottom. And just thread it in. Not too much. Fill everything back up with breaker fluid. The best brake fluid ever is this. That's it, guys. Once you bleed out everything, no air in the system, the cover back on, and that's it. Just like that. Then just make sure you wipe everything, and just like that. Honestly, this took me, what time is it? 3 o'clock. I started at 1. I ran into some problems, but this should be a 15-20 minute job. Ducati 848 EVO Clutch slave. And drain the clutch fluid. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.